Alright, how is it going? So, for today, we will be again starting from the daily. I'm just feeling a bit more sleepy today because last night I didn't get enough sleep. But, anyways, so far the price action is we do have the fair value gap above, and it looks like price has slightly tapped into there today at the beginning of the day in the daily fair value gap, which is a good news. We are bearish. And now here's the thing at H4. So that daily fair value gap turned out to be H4 fair value gap as well. And yep, price did tap into that fair value gap. Let me mark this one as FVG. Okay, there we go. So this is the daily FVG from which price has created this engulfing candle, this one, and this one. And another funny thing is that you can see this up move doesn't have any PDA, neither order block nor fair value gap, other than this market structure shift order block, which is which is like this. So this is the whole order block, and coincidence is currently price is also sitting at that one. So for now, H4 I would say bearish, but also bullish, because bearish is because of our structure daily, everything is bearish, price is reacting, respecting that bearish fair value gap, which is good news. Bullish because price is currently sitting at this bullish market structure shift, which is, I don't know, yeah, there's possible there might have a possible reaction to that, but still overall structure is bearish, so I would say I am bearish. And then comes the H1 thing. Whole H1 is pretty amazing. Price is just creating creating order blocks, as you can see in here. Let me put this one. So this order block from which it has respected, and then we do have another order block from which currently, it is likely to respect. So am I going to be bullish for today? What I would like to see, if I'm going to say that I'm bullish, is I would like to see a H1 market structure shift, such as we do have this order block here. If I want to say I'm bullish, then I would like to see the break above this one. Then I would execute in here while targeting the swing high. Other than that, I'm just for now looking for continuation bearish, because daily bearish, H4 bearish, and yeah, H1 is likely to be bearish, but that doesn't mean if market structure shift in H1 and I'm going to be disrespected. No, I would like to see what it has to say about that anyways. Then comes the whole London sweep thing. You can pretty much see that price haven't sweep anything, it just create an equal high around this area. We do have an order block sitting at above here, so it would be much more interesting to see price moving above, taking that uh, liquidity, and then shift structure bearish like this. It would be amazing to see. Other than that, I'm still waiting for price action. BAS is bearish and price haven't taken any liquidity yet. So yeah, I would say I'll be waiting for more information in here. Yep. So yeah, that's pretty much it. BAS for today is bearish unless I do get a bullish market structure shift in H1. Peace. And so this is how it is moving right now without taking the liquidity. I mean, yeah, it is just created that equal high as I have said before, and yep, it just keep moving bearish, and yeah, that was the whole plan. I've said I wouldn't be bullish unless I do have the H1 market structure shift, because daily and H4 is bearish, and yeah, it seems it perfectly aligned with everything. I mean, yeah, we are clearly targeting this swing low. And now here's the thing, price is again far away from this swing low, so yeah, there is again a chance for price to move just like this, or it can move here, take this liquidity, and then shift structure, move bearish. Maybe, I don't know. It might be good to see how it turn out, and yeah, I'm pretty much looking forward to it, how it would go. Yeah, that's it for now, and let's see after an hour later. 1 hour after session open, and currently price is consolidating, which means price is looking for liquidity, and if I have to find out, then obviously we do have this buy side liquidity which is yet to tap. So yeah, that's the whole plan for today. Waiting for price to move something like do something like that, and then shift structure will we get into there while targeting here, putting us above or something. I mean, yeah, that's the low, so that's going to be target, and yeah, that's it. Let's see how these turn out for today. Alright, market update, and currently it is New York session, which is my preferably the best one for me. But anyways, for today I would say the direction wise it was a good day, but when it comes to the execution I really don't have any setup on today. um, I mean, yeah, there ain't anything that I can do right now other than watching the beautiful sell position. I mean, sell off of the market. I mean, it was like we do had a tiny bit of the liquidity here, and I would say another equal high. Both of them at the London. I don't really think that I would execute with this type of condition. I mean, this type of liquidity. Other than that, if if I zoom out the chart, then the thing that it is a total market maker sell module. For sake of that, I might have execute, because because what we do in market maker X model, whether it is a buy or sell model, what we usually do is be careful in this curve and in this curve, do everything to execute with the whatever that way possible. So yeah, that's how it went. I would say it was a good sell off day, but obviously I wasn't aware of the whole market structure thing, or whatever you want to say. If I take a look at the H1, and if H1 has the market structure shift, then I would say that wouldn't be in a much better area to a much better area to entry from. And yeah, it turned out that H1 doesn't have a market structure shift in this one, in this area, until this one. But anyways, I would say it was a good one. H4 was very clean. H daily was very clean. H1, I would say there wasn't anything in H1 for today. But in M15, we do had the minor liquidity and the equal high in this one, and then we have the shift, which is like this one and this one. I would say this one is the actual shift, because after that price really tapped into there, and then we have this big move. So yeah, that's how it went, and price has tapped the target that I was looking for, which was this one. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I mean, well, there ain't anything, and also I don't think that price will take this liquidity anyways. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. But still, I'll keep an eye on this one and let's see how it turn out till end of this session. Peace. So that's how it went the whole day yesterday. Yep, no complaining. Just direction wise, I was right, but there wasn't any entry at um, New York session, I would say. And London has a minor liquidity ship. Then Mogadishu ship, I would say there was a entry criteria, but still, that's pretty much it. And let's see how today turn out.